Good morning, traders, and welcome back to the Forex Showdown here at Traders Network Club YouTube channel. If you guys are brand new, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Every Friday, we drop a showdown. I got the star guest, FxBigDog here. I'm going to go ahead and do some live trading. We have 5 pairs where we do some live trading, and we compete to see who can close their pairs first. So, that being said, let's get started. All right. Good morning.
All righty. Cameron, what's up, buddy? Friday. You know what Friday means, right?
Yes. It's time to take off, right?
No, it means that if you start drinking late afternoon, you have tomorrow to recover. No, I'm just kidding. Don't you do that. All right. We're going to go look at some trade opportunities this morning. Hopefully everyone has had a great week so far. We've had some recovery in some of the pairs that we're currently trading, that I'm actually currently in. But we're not going to be talking about that this morning. We're going to be looking for new opportunities for those traders that are following us and are not clients with Traders Network Club. Isn't that a shame, Cameron? You got a lot of followers, but no clients coming to the party, you know? No, actually, we're going to be we're very blessed to have quite a few good clients that are supporting the channel, supporting Traders Network Club, and we appreciate that. And we're going to be showing our appreciation coming up next week. Is it the end of next week? Well, when's the 1st? Anyway, it's the 1st. It's not next week, but it's the 1st of August. From the 1st of August, once a week, or at least every week in our showdown, we're actually going to be running a deal where we're going to be collecting names, and everyone on that list will be open to a free month of our services. We'll be giving that out, so we're going to call that a sponsored day, where we're going to be giving out 1 month of free service to our trade or a flagship product, which is the Pip Hunter. So make sure you guys tune in, get as many people on this YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. Send it out to everyone. Share it. Share the YouTube channel. Share it out to everyone. Let's get as many people as possible. We want to be able to bless as many people as possible. And I say bless because the Pip Hunter Trading Strategy has done so many good things for so many people, and we want to continue to do that and help people across the board. All right, that is what Traders Network Club is all about: is helping people succeed in this market and helping them succeed quickly. And we're going to do everything we can. We're not going to guarantee everyone's going to be successful, because at the end of the day, traders have to make decisions on their own as to whether or not they want to use proper risk management in their trades, or simply go ahead and get aggressive and take the responsibility on that as well. So, but we'll do everything we can to help traders to be successful. With that being said, Cameron, what are we here for, man? What are we here for?
We are here for some live trading today.
All right. Well, let's get on with it. So we, what trades do we still have active at the moment right now? Let me actually take a look and see what trades we. Are we out of the cat Swiss yet, or are we still in on that cat Swiss position?
No, we're still holding the cat Swiss. Everything else is available.
All right, and we are. Looks like our break even on the cat Swiss is getting pretty close. I mean, no, not really. All right,
65.96.
So we're going to look at everything else but the cat Swiss this morning. So let's go ahead and dive into 4 currency pairs: Euro, US dollar, Aussie CAD, New Zealand CAD, and US dollar Canadian. Those are the 4 we're going to go ahead and look at this morning and take a look and see if we got a trade opportunity. Now, traders, before we get started, I want to go ahead and make sure, and I want to appreciate Cameron for bringing me onto the show. I have my own YouTube channel, FxBigDog. Make sure you subscribe to that YouTube channel as well. I am sharing this broadcast with my followers so they can get access to this information as well. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at these 4 currency pairs, but I want to make sure that everyone understands that when we look at these currency pairs, we're going to analyze them, break it down, place live trades. Now, you can follow along. If you haven't done this before, you can follow along with us because we've got a Telegram channel that you may need to subscribe to, which is down below. All right, if you check out down below, we have a Telegram channel in the description where you can go ahead and click on and become a follower. It doesn't cost you anything, but what happens is all the trades that we're going to be placing are going to be placed inside that Telegram channel, because the one thing that we want to be doing here in the session is being completely transparent about what we do, so that when you do follow us, everything that you do, that we're doing, you can see exactly what is going on. Whether we add new positions, whether we close positions, whatever the case may be, you will be able to follow along so that you know that we are the real deal, the real McCoy right here. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Or actually, you know what, Cameron, you are the host, so I guess you get the privilege of kicking us off with a currency pair.
Okay. Awesome. So Cat Swiss is not in favor right now, obviously, because we're holding. So
Yep.
let's take a look at we can take a look at the euro here. Euro is a little bit range bound. Simple trade setup here.
Oh, by the way, I want to also go ahead and let everyone know. Hey, if you guys, if there's anyone that wants to be on our show as a guest on this show, go ahead and send out an email and let us know, and we'll bring you on the show, and we'll just have some fun. We'll talk about some currency pairs, maybe talk about your experience, blah blah blah. But yeah, go ahead and send us an email. Cameron, I'm gonna go ahead and post that email that they go ahead while you're busy talking. I'll go ahead and post the email. So send your email to this address that I'm going to go ahead and send to you in a minute.
Okay. So year on the euro US dollar price creates support. Resistance up here, and then creates support down below here. Price is retesting that support. Got a nice rejection candle here, showing some rejection here by below support. We want to see price come back here, grab some supply here by this resistance level. We see if I'm gonna go to a higher time frame here. Here we possibly see some positive divergence setting up right now. Okay, look like the divergence setting up. We could see a little push back to resistance, playing that range bound, buy at support, sell resistance. Pretty easy setup here because we're also seeing some strong rejection here on the 50-minute time frame, showing that this support level is being respected. Not only that, is my 50 SMA is below price as well, showing support as well at this level. So I am going to go ahead and trade to the upside here on the euro. And 20 pips will be just below my target to the resistance level here. So I'm going to go ahead and buy right now on the euro. And same thing, I get a lot of members that say, well, what if it breaks support? What if it breaks support, right? And we're buying here. So if price does break through support, if somehow we get a nice dip here, price breaks support, price always wants to come back to retest that previous support and validate that it's a new resistance, a new ceiling before it wants to continue back down. So that's why we dollar cost average, and that's why we stick to our strategy with our dollar cost average. So I'm going to go ahead and buy here on the euro US dollar.
And just let me know what the price is that you got there, Cameron.
I got there at 111,
111,
19.
19. All right,
Yeah,
cool.
11.19.
All right. So this is what we're gonna go ahead and put the ticker down there. That's a buy right there. Buy on the euro US dollar right there at 11.19. So 1.1119. That is the buy that he's put in right there. Okay, good. Let me go ahead and put in the next opportunity, or at least look at the next opportunity. And let me go ahead and take a look at. I'll go to the Aussie. I'm not going to go to the US dollar CAD. Let's go to the Aussie CAD right here, and I'm going to look at the daily time frame. I do notice that price did come back to retest that support there. And so with it coming back to support, we might be expecting some bounce. We've seen some nice bearish move, but looking for some bounce on the Aussie CAD. Now, if I go to the daily time frame right here, if we go to the 1 hour, there's that bounce that we've just seen right about there, coming off that level there. And let me let's take a look here. Where's my little there it is. Oh goodness. All right, so let's go ahead and put that in again. There's the bounce that we're getting right there. Oversold condition. So I'm looking for the market to go bounce back a little bit. Let's go to the 15-year. Wave 1, if I look at my wave structure from the top here, wave 1. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like an inside structure here, wave 3. Up, yep, all the way down here. Oh, there's a short-term rally. To be honest with you, I see the market rallying up a little bit right here. But I think we're going to head back down south. If I look over here, I see a nice little crown sitting up right here. Let me see what it's offering here. So that's not too much. Good resistance up here. Geez, Cam, my eyes are really horrible. I don't know what it is today, guys, but I am suffering so badly. I woke up this morning and I was on my phone quite a bit looking at the markets and analyzing the markets on my phone. And I got off my phone, and since I got off my phone, even my glasses full, my computer isn't even helping me. It's like I can't see crap right here. So I'm just guessing what's going on in the market right now, to be honest with you. All right, so here we go. So I see the market pulling back a little bit here. The question here is it going to bounce higher? I'm going to assume it is going to bounce a little higher based off this resistance here. I'm looking at the oscillator. Yeah, I'm going to say it's going to bounce higher. Even if it's a correction. All right, Cam, let's go for the buy. I'm going to buy on Aussie CAD right now. And expect price. I'd like to have got it down here, but it is what it is.
Buy?
Yeah, I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy this correction move right here, and it's based off the fact that I'm at the support here on this daily, and I think this is going to hold. Even if we pick up 2 entries, I think we're going to make a profit on that. All right, so what is the, let's take a look here. What did you get my buy in at?
Aussie CAD, I got you buying at 88.94.
All right, 88.94. All right, perfect. I got that. 88.94. Let's see here. Yep. Okay, good. So this is what we have right here. Here's a ticker ready buy here. We got the pound US dollar, and then we got the Aussie CAD right here. Oh, and then it was a buy. So let me go ahead and correct that right there. It was a buy on Aussie CAD. All right, perfect. There we go. All right. Those are the two. Those are the trades that we currently have right now. Cameron, I'm going to flip it over back to you. Let's see what you got for us this morning.
Okay. I might as well go ahead and do the US dollar CAD.
Oh, great! You can leave me with a New Zealand CAD again.
I'm gonna hedge with my Euro US dollar pair here because I'm seeing that the US dollar CAD is testing a key level of supply here. Excuse me. Key level of supply here. Looking at the 50-minute time frame, let's take a look at the higher time frame here. I want to just see. All right, we see 4 hour in the over, moving in the overbought position here. I like this too. Very overbought in the 1 hour.
Sorry, Cam, I have to interrupt, man. We got the trader right here that says, "I hope you guys are wrong." And he says, "No offense, I hope you guys are wrong." And the reason why he's saying that because he actually took on a short on the Euro US dollar yesterday, and he took on a short on the Aussie CAD yesterday. Now, just a quick one right here. Hey, remember, traders, the market moves in waves, right? And because it moves in waves, we're looking for short-term gains. And if it's a little bit of a push up or push down, we're just looking for that short-term gain. So it's not to say that if you're looking at the market differently and looking for a long-term directional bias, you could be right and we could be right. All right, because we look at the markets differently. So it doesn't matter whether you're long or at least short and we're long. It's always going to be how we see the market from a short-term basis and not necessarily a long-term basis. So, and just FYI, I don't think that anyone that's short right now is wrong. I just think that we're going to see a bounce first before the market goes short again. All right. Sorry, Cam.
Yeah. So key supply level that we're sitting at right now. Uh, so obviously my members, VIP members, know that when I'm at a supply zone, very overbought, I'm looking for price to come back down. So we're looking to sell. Um, obviously we got these nice swings here, right? Testing supply. I'm looking for the retracement here back to the 618 or the halfway mark here by my gold levels. So definitely going to be retesting back to this level here, which was previous resistance. That's right by my gold levels there. I'm targeting. So I'm looking for this retracement. How much retracement is it going to retrace if I'm looking for those levels to retrace in? That is just around 25 to 30 pips. That's why I'm looking for a sell on the US dollar CAD, selling by supply, looking for that retracement back to some key levels.
Okay.
All right.
All right, let's take a look and see what you got. You got in at 32.14. All right, so you picked up a sell at 32.14 on the US dollar CAD. I'm going to go ahead and put that in as well here. So a sell on US dollar CAD at 1.3014. All right, perfect. All right, there it is. So that is currently what we have right here. Oh, my bad. Let me just go ahead and show that. There it is. There's the positions that he has right here. Perfect. Let's go ahead and flip it back to me, and let's take a look and see what we got here. And let me pop open the. Now that you've gone ahead and put in the, I guess I have to do the New Zealand CAD now. So let's take a look right here. New Zealand CAD. John said, "Is there music playing?" John, you're probably hearing things in your head right now. There's no music. I don't hear any music playing.
I hear music playing.
Cameron, you must be having some music in your head as well. I'm just messing with you guys. Let's go ahead and shut that off. I thought I'd just go ahead and soften the tone here, but if it's bothering everyone, let's just kill it. All right. Jumping into the New Zealand CAD right here, daily time frame. We've taken out that low right here, and because we've taken out the low, I'm looking for price to go ahead and crown on us, and therefore I'm expecting price to do something like this before heading back down south. So I think we're going to head into a little bit of a bounce here. I want to double check on something here on my phone. And let's see here. Okay, so we're getting a bounce there. Oh, nice. All right, so we're going to expect a little bit of a bounce here. Now, let me take a look over here on the 1 hour. Now, granted, the 1 hour is bearish, but the question here is, do we see the market creating an irregular flat pattern right here? And that's what I'm looking at over here. You see the 1.27 right here? We did take out the low with a very short rotation. Actually, I think we're going to go long here for a bit. I'm going to go long on New Zealand CAD just in the short term again. So long New Zealand CAD. So I'm doing the same thing. Aussie CAD, New Zealand. I thought I was going to go into take more of a hedge on this. So I think I'm going to just continue to follow what I'm seeing on the Aussie CAD and do a New Zealand CAD. Now I'm hoping that the Canadian dollar is not going to lose ground. To be honest with you, I'd like to see the Canadian dollar actually strengthen. And so doing this is just a little short-term move. Maybe the market's not quite going to be, trendy today. We did have some news out this morning for the Canadians, and it was actually not really good news. It was retail sales came out lower than they expected, and much lower than the previous. We also had revised numbers, and you look at the revised numbers was higher than what it actually came out. Sorry, the revised numbers came out lower than what it was reported last month as well. So not good numbers out here for the Canadians this morning, and that's what caused this little bit of a rally that we saw right here. And so I think that maybe, Cameron, have you gone in at that trade already?
The New Zealand CAD?
Yeah.
No, I haven't gone in yet. No.
Let me see something here quickly before you do that. 46. You know what? As much as the trend is down, momentum's down, but there's got to be some sort of corrective move. So I'm going to go with that buy. Let's do that buy. Let's put that buy in. Buy on Aussie CAD. Just tell me the price. Just go ahead and put it in there.
Buy New Zealand CAD, you said?
Yeah, buy New Zealand CAD.
Okay, you're in at 81.67.
81.67. Let's go ahead and throw that in. So buy at or at least New Zealand CAD, and that is at 81.67, right?
Yep.
All right. And there you have it.
Oh, yeah, I like to buy New Zealand CAD.
Yeah. So there is there is the setups right here. These are the trades that we currently have at the moment right now. Now, guys, let's just to let everyone know that we run these sessions once a week. We're going to be doing something in between the week as well. We are currently now just running the showdown in the week. I'm going to be doing something on my YouTube channel in the week. I'm still trying to figure out the schedule and what that's going to be like, and what I'm actually going to present in the week. But I'm going to be doing something on my YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, this show has also been sponsored by ACAP Brokers. And we want to show the appreciation and show that, show the appreciation for sponsoring this session. And so if you're looking for a broker, check this out. All right, there we go. Hey, guys, another thing is, what we're going to be doing over the next month is that we're going to be, we're busy working on some deals, some great deals with the brokers that we are working with. ACAP is going to be one of the brokers, which means if you open up a trading account with ACAP, we're going to be able to do a special deal with you. So go ahead and check down below in the description down below. There are links. If you're looking for a broker, go ahead and open up an account with ACAP or our other broker as well, which is SCM. Go ahead and if you go to our website, TradersNetworkClub.com, you can go actually under the professional membership, and there is a list of brokers that we are going to recommend as well. If you open up an account with any one of those brokers, make sure that you reach out to us because we want to give you a special deal on one of our services. All right. So make sure you go ahead and do that, and we'll go ahead and see what we can do for you to be able to help you get started here in this market. Once again, Traders Network Club is all about helping students as much as we possibly can. So we want to make sure that we can go ahead and reach out to you. Here's the website. If you don't know, there's the website right here, TradersNetworkClub.com. Check it out. and check out our professional membership. There's a bunch of trade ideas that you can go ahead and subscribe to. But if you're looking for the broker link, there is the broker link inside that area there. With that being said, I think we're pretty much done. Hey, I want to go ahead and just let everyone know that there are also, let's see here, what is it? Oh, Cameron, I want to actually talk about your trading room. Cameron's trading room is going to be changing. Okay, let me go ahead and talk about your trading room, Cameron. Your trading room is going to be changing. Cameron's trading room is going to be changing. He's going to be offering additional services and additional things in his trading room that's going to be taking place on the 1st of August. So if you are grandfathered in, which means if you are a subscriber now, you're going to score big time with the new services that come out on the 1st of August. We're going to be talking about more about that later in the month, or probably the first of the month. But make sure, if you're not a subscriber of the Startup Pro membership, you may want to get set up and start signing up today, or at least before the end of the month, because those that have grandfathered in at the price level that we're in, you're going to get access to some information that other people are going to be paying extra for. So make sure that you are a subscriber to the Starter Pro membership, so that you can get access to all the other good benefits and features that's going to come along the way on the 1st of August. So there's going to be an extended session on his, he's going to extend his session in his trading room, and he's going to be providing other information as well in the trading room too. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe right now so that you can get grandfathered in on the current pricing. All right. All right, Cam, well, that pretty much wraps it up right there. I don't think there's anything else that we can go ahead and talk about.
Did we go over the CAD Swiss?
No, I did not, because we're in the CAD Swiss. You want me to just cover it?
Yeah, let's just cover it.
Yeah.
I think someone wanted us to cover it there.
Yeah, sure. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, so those are the trades that we're currently in, but let's go ahead and cover the CAD Swiss. So let me go while I've got my screen open right here. Let me go ahead and pop open the CAD Swiss. All right, so I can simply just go ahead and open up just the daily right here and show you what's going on the daily. So on the daily, we did have the market close out with a nice U-turn. I'll be honest with you, traders, I would like to have seen this pair close above, I wanted to close above 65.78. In order for us to get a good bullish sentiment around this. We didn't get the close, but that's okay. We got this U-turn. And with this U-turn, it still gives me a sense of the market trying to push up higher. Now, if I look at my 1 hour time frame, I notice that we have a pivot point right here that the market went ahead and tested. Now, break of that pivot point, which, by the way, is at 65.79. So if we get a close today above 65.80 and a close above 65.80, which is not far away from where we're trading right now, then not only are we going to get bullish sentiment confirming that the market's going to be pushing higher, but we're also trading above a pivot point, which means we're going to go to the next level, which is around about at this point right here, and that looks like at 67.23. So that's the next upside move. I'm feeling confident about the way the market's setting up right now. Now it's just a matter of time before the market gets to the levels we need to see it at and trade above there to confirm the directional bias. I still believe, if we look at the overall picture, I still believe that price is going to come back up to retest 6,800. And when it does come back to 6,800, we're going to make a decision as to whether or not it's going to break that level based on confirmation of the technicals. And if we do get that confirmation that it's going to break that level, then 69, which is, by the way, our fourth wave high right here at the top, 69.69 is the next upside target. So that is pretty much where we're at right now. So let's see if we continue to see some rally in the CAD Swiss, which I do believe we're going to see. Because if we look at U.S. oil is also on the rise, and we're expecting U.S. oil to go to $82 a barrel, and that should strengthen the Canadian dollar as we move in the weeks ahead. All right, traders. Well, that pretty much wraps it up today. Good luck with your trading. And make sure you subscribe to the channels, specifically FxBigDog, as well as I go into more technical analysis on other pairs during the week. And we'll get that schedule out as soon as I have that finalized. And like Cameron just gone ahead and said, let's go ahead and get our support there. Smash the like button, share the channel, get people in here. We'd like to see more people here so we can offer more offers, great opportunities for them to sign up to our free offers. So with that being said, it's FxBigDog and Cameron. Say cheerio.